Hello shoppers, I have received this beautiful leather skirt for decoration purposes and I would love to share my personal opinion. So this skirt is very nicely designed. It features flare design with um, belt with adjustable buckles and it is suitable for any special occasion as well as everyday wear, and you can create multiple stylish outfits. Additionally, it is very high quality. It is made with premium leather material and you can match it with any outfit. Additionally, it does come in a variety of colors, so definitely check it out. Also, guys, there is one more color that I received, this beautiful white color, and overall I think these skirts are very elegant. Definitely check them out.